the computer. All right. So here's a spreadsheet. Let's put some numbers up here just for fun. Generally, you want to put them in kind of an order, going down like this. Your stock project, or not stock project, but the stats lab project has you putting in random numbers. I give you a cute little formula to type in the first cell, and then you copy it all over the place. But for this purpose, I just want to show you how a spreadsheet is going to work on this. So if I want, I can find the average. Remember, when you start typing in a formula, it'll kick up all the possible things that start off with ABE. Do not type in mean. Mean doesn't get you anything. So you have to start with equals av. And the one you want is just regular old average. So if I want to find the average of these numbers, where is it? This one. Get rid of that window. All I want to do is select of them. Whoops, get it in here. Select all these cells and hit enter. And it does it automatically. So you don't have to sit there and type in each number plus, 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 and then do it all. You just type the numbers into your spreadsheet and put the cell in there as average. Highly suggest, let's see here, insert one to the left, that you give it a name. Otherwise, you have no clue what that number means. It's just another number. If you want, you can get fancy and shade it gray so it's separate from everything else. It also does median. So if you do equals median, it gives you a nice little formula. Same thing, select all the cells.
So how did you get median? How did you get it in there?
I type in MED, and it came up with the formula, and I selected it.
That's how you're type.
You want me to do it again?
Yeah.
Escape. Equals
Okay.
MED.
You put equal sign.
Well, you always have to put equal signs for formulas.
Okay. It's a formula.
Miss, I haven't done a stock
Because it's
project.
a formula. I know.
Ah. So I select all the cells for the median. Do I want that 50.5? No. Don't just choose numbers on a spreadsheet because there's a number on your spreadsheet. Choose the ones you really want to do the calculation with. If I hit equals, oops, I didn't put it in the right cell. I want it. Oop. How do we move this? Oh, grab there. I want it there. Median. Give it a title. And the mean and the median are exactly the same. That's interesting. That leans into something else that we're going to talk about next class. Quartiles. If you're going to do a quartile, you hit equals. When you type in QU, it gives you quartile. You have to be careful with the quartile command, though. It takes two arguments. In other words, it takes the cells you're trying to do the calculation on, and you have to say which quartile you want. So if I do this quartile, I want to take the quartile of all of these cells, comma, which one I want. So which Q do I want first? Q1. So you have to type in 1, and you have to end it with parentheses, and hit enter. Oh, and I put it in the wrong cell again. I should put it.
Add numbers, and then put a comma in.
Comma 1, yeah. If I did comma 2, it would give me
The median.
median.
Q2.
Can you go up one box so I can see your formula?
Quartile, all of these cells, stopping at the 89, comma 1. Maybe I should be a little bit fancier. I'm just running out of room. And quartile 3?
Yeah, I got 31.25. 8.1 to 8. How's that work?
You got what?
I did 8.1 to
Because he moved it over.
comma 1 and got 31.25.
Maybe I didn't select all mine? Ooh,
You did
I didn't. I got B2 here. Told you I was running out of room. There you go, 31.25. Yeah, I didn't go high enough. My cells are kind of big, so I can show them to you. Quartile 3, you would say equals quartile. You would select all of them, so I forced it this time. And you would want to use comma 3. Oh, did I say, did I put quartile 2 down there? I can't remember. What's quartile 2 anyways?
The median.
The median, so I don't need that again, so I want to do comma 3. the third quartile. Yeah, I called it quartile 3. It'll even find the max and the min for you if you really want it to. If you have a lot of numbers, it'll find the max for you.
I mean, that's like just the first one.
Yeah, but the project I have you doing is 50 numbers. They're randomly generated. They're not in order, and it's a pain in the butt to go through the whole list and find it.
Okay.
So you can use the max command if there's a ton of them.
So the max would just be.
You just do max of your list, and it'll find the max 89. Oh, and I put it in the wrong cell again. Put it over here. Call it max. There's a min command.
You're doing it again.
Be quiet. I'll just move it over in a second anyways. I've done it every time, so I'll get used to it. And it'll find the minimum of all of them, which is 12. So there's your min. And if you change your numbers, each one of these is going to change automatically, which is kind of nice. So mean, median, max, min, quartile 1, quartile 2. You can do it all on a spreadsheet. I'd rather you do it on a spreadsheet than in your calculator.